Hello everyone. Here, let's continue the development of our Makefile. In last video, I mentioned that in a Makefile there are some repeated words or duplicative words while specifying the rules. So let's focus on the repeated words in a single rule. Suppose hello1, okay, here are hello1 the C and hello1 the C. So in the first line of the rule, we specify the target and the dependencies. And basically, in the following recipe commands, we may refer to the dependencies and the target names. So in this example, we refer to hello1 the C. Okay, so this is the first file name in the prerequisite, and here is a special symbol, a $, less than. This is a special type of variable in a Makefile. So $, less than, and similarly there are some case like lib test C, again, and lib test.o. Okay, so this is the first one, special symbol to replace the first file name of the prerequisite list. The next one is how to replace the target name, $, @. So lb hello.a, use $, @. So by using this, we don't need to type the same words again and again and reduce the probability of typo. If you want to refer to the whole list of prerequisite, use the $, correct. Correct. Okay, so this is the example on how to use special symbols to replace the names in the first line. Similarly, we can modify the other two Makefiles in the similar way. Okay, now if you examine different rules, such as hello1.o and hello2.o, you could examine that there are recurrence of the same pattern, not exactly the string, however it's the pattern. So something that O depends on something that C and something that H. And here something could be hello1, could be hello2. So in Makefile there is a way to specify this kind of pattern. This is called static pattern. We can specify the static pattern. In a static pattern, the % is used for referring to the so-called stem, STEM. Stem is the name or part of the string. So, for example, we would like to use the pattern to specify how to compile the object files for the library. Here, write to gcc-c $, less than. So whenever we would like to build hello1.o, since there is no exact rule for hello1.o, then it matches the patterns. And here is a pattern, %.o. So we can use this to match hello1.o and hello2.o. So by using this, we can reduce the lines of Makefile, and let the patterns to apply to a set of targets. Okay, so this is the way we use static pattern. And the next issue is that since C language or some other conventional languages, they are so popular, and the building process are quite standardized. Like, for example, to compile for an object file, we just use gcc-c, the source file. Okay. So there are implicit rules built-in, built-in implicit rules in the Makefile. So if we remove the static pattern, you could see that the program still is built without any problem. However, for the compilation of the object files, we use the implicit rule. So it invokes the command cc. cc is the default C compiler in Unix system, and in Linux, cc is alias to gcc. Okay. So implicit rules are convenient, and they are also customizable. Basically, implicit rules defines a few variables. So by overriding the variables, we can customize the implicit rule. For example, the variable cc. By convention in Makefile, variables are uppercase in uppercase. So by specifying cc to gcc, and let's rebuild our program, you will see that the original command cc will be replaced by or overridden by our specified command gcc. Okay, let's clean and rebuild. You can see that, okay, the command is gcc. The other customizable variable is called cflags. Okay. It is used for specifying the command line options to the compiler, to the compiler and the preprocessor. So we can use cflags. Okay. For example, I would like to print all the warning messages. So use -w all. Okay. Okay. For the available predefined variables, you need to refer to the manual. Right? And different implicit rules use different set of variables. Okay. In the building process, you can see that cc and cflags are effective in the commands. Okay. So this is how we can use implicit rules and customize the implicit rules. Again, for the variables, you need to look up the manual. Okay, we can further revise our Makefile to replace all the gcc using $, parenthesis cc. When defining the value, we simply use the variable name. When using the value, we use $, parenthesis, and the variable name. So this is the syntax for referring to a variable in a Makefile. Okay, so in this video, we learned how to use variables, and in the next video, we will further discuss about a complex structure of a project.